Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 12th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. And we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily, we've been drifting up pretty nicely, and this could definitely be a bottom right here. This could be a running ABC, meaning that it made a higher low compared to the A. It could go up. It could give us a break of structure, pull back, and just continue the higher time frame uptrend very, very easily. But we also need to keep in mind that this move up could just be a pullback to this last wave down, which is why we got our Fibonacci retracement on here. If we get a break to the downside at shorter time frames at a fib level, then we definitely want to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. Luckily, if we pay attention to the correct time frames, then we should be able to know when this wave up is over. If we get a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure, which right now my structure is way down here, then I will definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. I mean, honestly, whether this is, a complete pattern and it's going up from here, or whether it does, something like this, goes down again and then goes up like that, I do not know. I just know that I will be looking for longs every single chance I get until roughly the 2 to 4 hour time frame gives me a break of structure to the downside, which it definitely hasn't done yet. So as long as I pay attention to the correct time frames, I will continue to look for longs. And if it just keeps on going up and gives me a break of structure, then great news. If it bounces from a fib level, goes down and breaks one of these structures, then I'll just simply stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.